Pope's Plant Farm is Tennessee's leading wholesale succulent and cactus grower. Family owned and operated, our mission for the last 40 years is to consistently deliver the best quality plants and outstanding customer service at a reasonable price. We take pride in offering above average quality, selection, and service. Each item included is handpicked with curated combinations from our industry-leading growers. With over 5 years of experience shipping through the entire continental United States via FedEx Freight, the most efficient way we've found to ship succulents is through our custom pallet racks. Here at Pope's Plant Farm, it's important to us that our customers receive their racks with no damages. That's why we use multiple packing and padding materials, including cardboard, foam wrap, custom trays, and bubble wrap to ensure safe delivery with no headache. Each rack is assembled on-site and intentionally designed to be maneuvered only needing a pallet jack or forklift. All racks include 5 shelves, allowing customers 10 half shelves of options for stocking your shop. For more info or to place an order, go to our website www.popesplantfarm.com or click the link below to get connected.